New Orleans has been a great host for ASGCT 2025. Our team has had an amazing week sharing our science that has been developed at Forge with everybody here. We've had posters, oral abstracts, presentations, and even a symposium. One of the best things about ASGCT is connecting with the scientific community, and this year, it didn't disappoint. There's a lot of buzz around the booth this year. It was fueled by Petite Rouge's amazing coffee cart. It wouldn't be ASGCT without a classic reception by Forge. This year we hosted at Koshan, and it was an incredible evening. The food, the people, the music were all amazing. My favorite part were the beignets. Thank you for everyone who attended. We topped off the week by receiving an Outstanding DE&I Award for She Forges, reinforcing the importance and inspiration for women in biotech. It was personally such an honor, and thank you, ASGCT, for the recognition. That's a wrap on another successful ASGCT. We'll see you next year in Boston.